The Earth is facing a crisis. The climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, causing widespread damage to ecosystems and putting human lives at risk. The effects of climate change are already being felt all around the world, from rising sea levels to extreme weather events. But there is still hope. If we take action now, we can protect the climate and create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. In this script, we will explore how humans can protect the climate. Part 1. Understanding the problem. The first step in protecting the climate is to understand the problem. Climate change is caused by the release of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere, which trap heat and cause the planet to warm up. These greenhouse gases are released by a variety of human activities, including burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, deforestation, and industrial processes. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and severe, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and extreme weather events. Part 2. Taking action. Now that we understand the problem, let's explore some of the ways that humans can take action to protect the climate. Reducing our carbon footprint. One of